Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn how to find out a term of a proportion if when the remaining are given. So for this, we will take two examples. So first example, it is given in a proportion the first, second and fourth terms are 32, 112 and 217 respectively. Find a third term. So for this type of question, write like this: that the first term, second term, third term and fourth term. So first term it is given 32, second term it is given 112 and the third term is missing. So you put here x. That means you have to find out the value, and the fourth term it is given 217. So now if we write in proportion, so it will be like this: that 32 is to 112 as x is to 217. So this is a proportion. So now I have to find out the value of x. So for this I write the product of means, that will equal to product of extremes. So for this I tell that a means, that means the second term and the third terms are known as means. Second term and third term is known as means, and the first term and the fourth term, that means this term and this term, last two terms are known as the extremes. That means their product will be equal. So it write like this: the product of means, that means 112 into x, this two means, and the extremes, that is 32 and 217. So we write 32 into 217. So now you write, so 112x you write as 112x. So keep it like this only, as it will be easier for us to multiply into 217. So now I write x equals to, so now x 112 is going to this side, so it goes for division. So 32 into 217 by 112. So now I cut by 2 first, and again by 2, and again by 2, and again by 2. So it remains 2 by 7. So I cut 7 and 217 go directly, it will become 31. So it becomes 2 into 31, that is equals to 62. So that means our third term that will be equal to 62. So we have got our answer for this question. So now we will understand the concept with one more example. So this question is given in a proportion the first, third and fourth terms are 51, 81 and 108 respectively. Find the second term. So in this question the second term is not given. So I write in that manner, that first, second, third and fourth. So first term it is given 51. Second term it is not given, so you write it as x. That means you have to find the value of x. Now third term it is given 81 and fourth term 108. So that means you write our proportion, that will be equals to 51 is to x as 81 is to 108. So this is our proportion. So now I have to find out the value of x. So now I write product of means equals to product of extremes. So in this, the second and third term are known as means, and the first and fourth terms are known as extremes. So write as x into 81, that are the means, that is equal to 51 into 108, that are the extremes. So x into 81, that will become 81x. Now keep it like this only. Now 51 into 108. So which will become now x equals to, now I take 81 to this side, so it goes for division. 51 into 108 by 81. So first you got 51 and 81 by 3. It will become 17 and it will become 27. So now I can get 27 and 108 directly. It will become 4. So it becomes 17 into 4, that is equal to 68. So that means we can write our second term, that is equal to 68. So this will be a final answer for this question. So guys, thanks for watching this video and please subscribe my channel for more solution.